Hey y'all! Oh my god, I'm still tired. I figured I'd give y'all a morning routine. So this is what we're doing. I'm about to get in the shower. I have to do laundry. I took all my sheets and stuff off the bed. So it's laundry day. About to get in the shower. Have to feed the cats, feed myself, all that good stuff. So I'll be back when I get out of the shower. I'm laying like this because I just have my towel on, but yeah, I'll come back when I get out the shower, so I'll be back. And excuse the setup. I just figured I'll just film right here real quick and then just get in the shower. I didn't feel like setting up because it's a morning routine. This is how we're doing. Just getting up. All right. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I just got out the shower. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lotion my face right now, and I'm gonna take I've been taking this immune boost, and I think it's helping. Because I am not a morning person. I hate getting up, so I need to take something. I'm going to take this. I'm going to show you how to take this. You put it under your tongue. So, that much, and then... Mom. It's supposed to sit for 90 seconds, but I let it sit for how long I can take it. It's sour. But I did shave my legs and my underarms. So the first thing I do is get my alcohol. Oh my god, this gonna burn. Y'all gonna probably see me scream. Don't need no towel slip, smooth prints. And then I just pat it. And then I do my legs. Woo, oh my goodness. I do my legs and my thighs. The legs never really burn. It's always the arms. And then I put lotion under my arms and on my legs, the cocoa butter lotion, and it works great. I know some people probably use aloe vera or some kind of gel or something, but I've been doing this for years and it works for me. What else? Yeah, so I'm gonna do my whole routine, some of it, and then I'm gonna come back on camera with my... Well, today I didn't even let y'all know it's Memorial Day, so for now I'm wearing a pajama short set. I don't know if I'm gonna change. Not going anywhere. Y'all know it's quarantine, so Philadelphia don't open back up to June 5th, and when we do, I will not be. I'm sticking to the quarantine routine till I feel like I want to leave, which is my next vacation, which is in July. So today is Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day, everyone. I think we are putting something on the grill, but we're not doing anything. But this is what I do. I take a little dab of lotion, cocoa butter lotion, and just put it under my underarm, and I just let it sit for a while, and then I put my deodorant on after it sit for a good while. That works for me, y'all. Y'all could do my little tips and tricks. I gotta put some more alcohol on my thighs. I didn't get them really good. And I'm gonna do half of my routine nude, of course. Put all my sprays and my lotions on. And then I'm not gonna lotion the parts that y'all can see. I'm gonna lotion that in front of y'all so y'all can see how I do it. And I'm gonna just spray how I would do it. And I'm not going anywhere. So you know, the morning routine just changes every day because when I want to work is different. I'm not going anywhere today, so it's gonna be different. So I'll be back. I'm rambling. Y'all, the whole point of me first oh, my towel slipping. Y'all can't see anything. Of me getting this lotion was so I can show y'all how I just put it on my face. I should have showed y'all how I wash my face and stuff, but that's gonna be in my skincare routine. I'm getting to it. Ooh, sorry y'all, it's getting dark. That's because, well, like, y'all hear those chickens? My neighbor's got a chicken coop. Sorry y'all, but that's how I do. I make sure I get my eyes on. And that's how somebody barbecuing. They've been barbecuing all week. It smells so good. And that's just how I put my lotion on. Sorry. So I'll be back. I'm going to try to do the setup. I got to get my sheets that I'm going to put on my bed and make this bed up. This is a mess. I got clothes on the floor that I'm going to wash. My pillows and all that stuff on the floor because I'm changing my sheets. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I already put it on my arms. I forgot, but put it on my legs. Just one. My thigh. And then my leg. Might speed this up. Oh yeah, y'all. I figured out how to speed up. Well, I knew how to do it, but I didn't know how to do it where as though everything wouldn't be speed up. So I just got to do clip by clip. That's the key to do it. One clip, next clip, and like that. I should have known, but I hate doing a lot of clips. But if I want to do that, that's how I have to do it. Clip by clip. That way one clip would be speeded up. And if I didn't want the other clip to be speeded up, it don't have to be. You know. So yeah. So after this, I'm gonna make up my bed. Like I said, that rhyme. And get these cats together, get myself together. Definitely gonna speed this up. And I'm getting hot. It's hot. Alexa, what's the weather for today?
In Philadelphia, it's 77 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today's forecast calls for more of the same, with a high of 79 degrees and a low of 61 degrees. Hope you have a good Monday.
Thank you, you too. So I usually, I already did. Let me make sure I'm not really quick, because I don't like them to be in the way because I do not want to spray them. So I already sprayed some, not too much, so just basically. And this is Endless Weekend by Bath & Body Works, a oldie but goodie. And Justin Bieber. Which one is this? I forgot the name of it. Something Day, I forgot. So this is my choice of fragrance today. So this is how I put my perfume on. And just like that sometimes. You know, it smells so good. So, I think I'm going to come back when I'm making up my bed. Yeah, I'll be back. Oh, y'all get all kinds of angles today. Okay. Alright, so, I'm spraying this Snuggle Super Fresh first. It smells so good. So good. So I'm just gonna fix my mattress cover, and then I still don't have which sheets I want to put on, so I gotta go get my sheets. Oh my god, y'all, it smells so good. So I decided on these. I'm sure I'll probably speed this up, man. I know how to do it. I'm gonna be speeding up everything now. You're probably gonna be getting like, we wanted to see that. Yeah, but I'll probably speed up everything. You see the inside? No, it's wrong way though. I hate dealing with fitted sheets. I don't like flat sheets because I don't cover up with them. I hate putting on a fitted sheet. And I'm so short. I gotta lay, jump, do all kinds of stuff. I think it's a good workout. Look at my laundry, y'all. We want to wash those clothes. I might take y'all with me. Wash those clothes. Workout. Didn't we put the pool faces on yet? I just laid on top of the flat sheet. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. Yep, this is getting fast forward. I mean, yeah, it's gonna be a fast motion. And no blankets or pillows going on yet. Well, decorative pillows or blankets because they're getting washed. We're about to wash that stuff. So, hold on, just jiggling. Alright, so, let me get my clothes around. So, this one, okay, I'm just something like that. This one like this, which is usually it's free. Yo, that one, do I want to, no, I want to put this one like this. And this one, yo, I'm so hot, I'm sweating. We're in my basement. About to wash. It's really dark down here. I'm burning up. I ran up and down the steps. Where all my sheets and covered down. About to feed the kids, they're crying, so I gotta hurry up. And camera might be lopsided. I don't know, it probably is, but let's put this stuff in wash. First thing, put the fabric softener in here. Thank God they'll give me a washer and you can you don't have to come back down. Because I never use fabric softener, I just use the dry sheet because I hate the fact that you gotta come downstairs when it rinses to put it in here and all that. No, I ain't got time for that. So this washer is already high tech. It's not high tech, but it's up to date, so you don't have to wait to put the fabric. You can put it in here right away. Y'all probably go ahead and wash it like that, but our other one broke, so we got this one. All right. Okay, yeah, I am. I've got a paper towel. Last little bit. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it in the dryer. Okay, y'all. I think I'm gonna end it here because I'm not doing much. I'm gonna watch my shows. I had a smoothie. I was gonna show y'all that, but y'all done seen me make smoothies a couple times. But we're gonna do this ponytail. So I wasn't gonna do it, but I was like, let's do this bun over. And I was thinking about doing a video of showing y'all 5 different natural hairstyles to do. Whew. Alright, stuff. Alright, so I'm going to put in some Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. It's almost gone, y'all. I'm heavy-handed on the product. So heavy-handed on the product. Always have been. I don't think that's going to change. Now, I have kids. I know I'm going to be heavy-handed when I use it on their hair. Alright. And I need more for that. And it's because I don't like putting gel on here. The only gel I use is this. And it's not really like a gel. It's olive oil, mango butter glaze. But we're not using that because I'm not really going anywhere. We might use that when I do like the little series. Not series. I want to do a 5 different hairstyle look. We might use it then. But right now I'm not going anywhere. So there's no need to put that in my hair. Now tomorrow for work, I'll use it. So yeah, I'll use it tomorrow for work. Then I get my brush. Well, let's comb it out some. But I know it needs to be combed out some probably. Gotta get that back, y'all. Woo! Goodness gracious. Cha. Chow, chow, chow. Alright. Brush it up. It's time to use a different scrunchie, but I'm going to just use the one I got for now. Alright. I like my buns high up on the stand back some. Okay. Then I get my scrunchie. Put it on there. Get all the hair out. Then I twist it again. And this is what you call a messy bun. Twirl it, twirl it, twirl it. Tuck the hair. I'm tucking the hair in. Then I twirl it around. And there you have it. That's my messy bun. That's how you do a messy bun with your natural hair. It's not that messy. I call it messy because I really don't do much to it. Yep. And there you have it. Oh, I didn't put my eyebrow gel on today. I always put that on. Put some eyebrow gel on. And there you have it. Alright, y'all. So I still got this stuff on my hand. I wipe my hands off. Let me wipe it off with this. That's going in the washer. Yeah, so I'm going to end it here. I think this is my first time ever doing a morning routine. I did do a get ready with me with the makeup and stuff, but first time morning routine. I mean, I didn't do a full morning routine with y'all see me brushing my teeth and washing my face and all that stuff, but this is my morning routine sometimes. So if y'all like videos like this, please let me know. I'll continue to do them. If y'all like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. We're 46 subscribers away from 1K, y'all. Yes, we are. Thank y'all so much for subscribing. Hello to all my new subscribers. If y'all don't know yet, my name is Tasha. That's T-A-S-H-I-A. Welcome, Fashion House. This is the Fashion House. So, yeah, I'm excited. 1K giveaway loading coming soon. It's going to be lit. Y'all won't be disappointed. I got a lot of stuff planned for you guys. I want to do it big. I've been waiting for this day for the longest. I cannot wait till I get to 1K and then on from there, y'all. But where was I at? Yeah, thank y'all so much for subscribing, and hello to my subscribers that have been riding me for the long haul. Thank y'all so much. Y'all know I love all of y'all. Yeah, so leave me a comment, let me know how y'all like this video. Until next time, love you guys. Ciao. Bye, my fashion dolls. Bye, y'all.